The Audioengine philosophy is to build high-quality, affordable, and easy-to-use products. The Audioengine W3 is all this wrapped into a nice little wireless system. You can send your favorite music from any source to any system, anywhere in your house. The W3 is a very simple plug-and-play wireless bridge. The system includes two main parts, the sender and receiver. The W3 sender has two inputs, USB or a mini jack analog input, so you can use any music source that outputs audio through USB, mini jack, or RCA, such as a computer, stereo receiver, TV, iPod, or even a turntable. The W3 receiver has a single mini jack analog output, and the USB is for power only. The receiver will connect to the Audioengine N22, A2, or A5 Plus speakers, or any sound system that has either mini jack or RCA inputs. To add more than one zone to your W3 system, additional receivers may be purchased separately. The W3 is an easy way to broadcast iTunes or Pandora from your computer to multiple rooms simultaneously. It can also make your subwoofer or rear channel speakers wireless. When considering different wireless solutions, keep in mind the goal should not only be quality, but simplicity. The Audioengine W3 is incredibly simple, affordable, and most importantly, sounds great.